Good afternoon, everybody. We're doing a little social distancing project with the Jeep today. Going to work on siping the tires with the old school technique with the double razor blade there and doing it by hand. My buddy Seth lent me his tools, so we're going to get to work on that and put some grooves in these tires so we can get better grip when it's wet out, and then hopefully get them mounted here this weekend and check them out. So thanks for checking in, and we will. So here are the tires that Seth mounted up for me. They look awesome. Thank you so much, my friend. Very happy to get working on these with the siping and hopefully get them mounted up. So what we're going to do is I'm going to sit down here and get to work. I've done a little bit already. You can sort of see where I've sprayed some soapy water there to get things rolling. So pretty cool. We'll give it a go, see how it works. All right, so something I've noticed so far is that pushing into it, let's see, like going like this, it's a little hard on my shoulder, so I'm actually starting on the opposite side here, like over here, and just pushing it forward. And that seems to be better for my particular ailments with my shoulders and arms and whatnot. So that's something I've learned so far. And then, of course, spraying some soapy water on it like Seth recommended, very helpful for lubrication to keep it moving, and seem to be rolling a little faster this way with just doing the far side and then spinning around do the other side. So we'll keep rolling and see how much my arms can take. All right, done 2 tires and the half of the next, and starting to feel the burn a little bit, but you know, hanging in there. So I'm going to keep rolling here and probably take some Advil later, try to get these done. But definitely pushing away from my body is better for me, I've noticed for sure. And the soap. Oh, there go the rednecks. All right. And the soap definitely helps for sure, no doubt about it, to keep things sliding along okay. So hanging in there, and we're going to try to finish them up here and then hopefully get them mounted. All right, all finished. Tire number 5, and you can see the lines here. Kind of going along where the parallel blades made the cuts. It's very cool. Looks great. Next step will be to get them mounted and then go for a spin. Very cool. Alright, we got tire number 1 on here, and as you can see, I did it the old school way to keep in spirit with the project. And you can see that this new tire is definitely a little skinnier than the old worn out guys. But I'm liking the vintage look for sure, and keeping with the traditional look of the old tires, so very cool. There's number 1. Okay, here's the old tire next to the new one, and you can definitely see there's definitely a little bit of a lift for sure. So less width, but more height. That's very cool. You can actually see the whole Jeep's up a little higher in the front now compared to the back, which I will probably do tomorrow because I'm pretty wiped out. But looking good so far. We're all pumped up and ready to go. There we go. Probably been about a month since I fired the old girl up, so. Oop. Alright. Getting towards dusk at this point, so I'm hoping to get out shortly and maybe get on the road. School the girl, she's rocking. That's a good sign. Alright, here we are, looking real nice. And a spare that actually works if needed. It's amazing. No more Town and Country from the 70s. Dry rotted. And the last one. Very cool. Alright, off we go, guys. driving them Jeeps. Social distancing. Good evening, everybody, and thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. It's not a fishing video, it's a Jeep video. Oh yeah. Hey guys, I'm back. I just had to comment one more time on how smooth of a ride that was. The ride itself, just going straight, amazing. Turning the wheel, unbelievably great. Is that better than amazing? Whatever it is, it's awesome. And you know how these Jeeps are. I went from really, really crappy to Cadillac, and that's saying a lot for a Jeep because we all know Jeeps pretty much are definitely not close to Cadillacs. So very happy about this, and hey, we'll check you next time. Thanks.